There are so many different interior cleaners on the market today. How can you know which products are safe and won't stain or damage your car? Instead of becoming a chemist and trying to figure out which cleaning products are safe, 3D keeps it simple with 3D LVP Cleaner. This one product can clean everything, even the leather on upscale luxury and exotic cars. LVP stands for leather, vinyl, and plastic, which are the most common materials found on your car. Simply spray LVP Cleaner directly onto the surface, then wipe the surface dry using a clean microfiber towel. For heavily soiled areas, agitate the cleaner first with a soft brush, then wipe. LVP Cleaner smells good, not a strong offensive odor like most interior cleaners, but instead has a light, fresh, new car scent. You can quickly clean your leather, vinyl, and plastic surfaces with this single product. You spent a lot of money on your car. Make it last by keeping it clean with 3D LVP Cleaner.